India is an agriculture-based nation. Even today, more than half of the population depends on farming. If today we move towards new and advanced technologies, leaving behind the traditional methods, we can take our nation towards contentment at a greater speed. The Central Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute contributes in the promotion of agricultural mechanization. Mechanization of agriculture involves judicious application of inputs by using agricultural machinery, for example tractors and harvesters. Mechanization also helps in increasing productivity, reducing cost of production, creating a worker-friendly environment, and in helping all farmers, including the small and marginal farmers who depend on rains for irrigation. Keeping these goals in mind, the Central Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute is moving ahead. Central Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute Budni is a premier institute under the Mechanization and Technology Division of Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, functioning since 1955. At present, the institute conducts training on working principle, operation, adjustment, service, maintenance, repair, selection and management of tractors and farm machinery for the progressive farmers, technicians, engineers, in-service personnels, defense personnels, foreign nationals and farm women. Institute also conducts off-campus training program on energy conservation and safety in farm machinery at village or block level in coordination with state government. It is an official institute for testing of tractors, combine harvesters and other farm machinery for the quality control on the basis of Indian and international standards. It is also a participating member of the OECD for carrying out the official test on agricultural tractors in accordance with OECD standard test codes. The institute has been designated as one of the agencies for testing of tractors and allied agricultural machines as to their conformity to the Central Motor Vehicle rules. Institute Farm is used for training and testing activities from time to time. Geographically, the institute is situated on the foothill of Vindhyachal ranges on the bank of Narmada River, located 65 kilometers away from Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. For increased production in present scenario, it is important to train farmers about the practical know-how of the machinery. CFM TTI helps to accomplish the same. Optimum facilities have been developed at the institute for imparting on-the-job training on tractors, engines, their service and overhaul, and for various systems and irrigation pumps, electricity motors, and other agricultural machines and equipment. The institute has a well-developed audio-visual wing and library. The institute has a 100-hectare farm for intensive field operations on various equipments, farmers from various parts of the country, personnel from defense services, nominees from central and state government, organizations or private institutions, undergraduates from agricultural engineering colleges, universities or polytechnics, ITI trained tractor machines and electricians are eligible for admission to appropriate courses. Institute also conducts international training program for the foreign national on tractor and agricultural machineries. Our prime target group consists of farmers, technicians, undergraduate engineering, polytechnic, 10+2 vocational students, defense personnels, central and state officers, engineers from farming machinery, tractor manufacturers, auto electricians, foreign trainees. Stipend. Trainees from farming community admitted to the users level courses are eligible for a monthly stipend of Rs 1200 per month during the training period and to and fro ordinary class fare from their residence to the institute and back. Hostel. Trainees of all the courses are provided with subsidized meals in the hostel and lodging is totally free of cost. Tractor Museum. The old tractors are preserved to get an idea about the history and development of the tractors. Tractor Demonstration Laboratory. Visualization of different tractor cut models so as to get first-hand knowledge and principle of operation of various systems and assemblies. Appropriate Technology Laboratory. Farmers must be aware about the recent development of agricultural machineries so that they may select appropriate and least energy consuming machineries, zero-till, strip-till drill, planters, vegetable planter, rotavator, ledger leveler, etc.